There's a blessing that comes as a consequence of when we mourn our sinful self. This kind of person, Jesus is saying, who grieves their sinful self will experience the comfort of God, His favor, love, salvation, grace coming alongside divine comfort. Yet how strange sounds this teaching in the ears of many in our day. How different it is from almost everything we are told. Today we are urged to think well of ourselves, to affirm ourselves, to be happy with ourselves, to have a positive image of ourselves. We're told that accepting ourselves just as we are is the path to experience psychological and personal comfort. Not at all, says Jesus. You must really be sorry for what you have done. Grieve over it even. Lament its awfulness. Mourn it. Blessing is announced upon those who grieve their own self's sinful failures. It is they who will receive the comfort of God.